How did the universe came into existence? A mystery that has left scientific community baffled. All the cosmic objects that we see today came from this singularity. Are we true about the hypothesis crafted for the evolution of universe or truth is entirely different? Let's find out. Around 13.8 billion years ago, universe in which we exist came into being. There are number of hypotheses revolving around the evolution of universe. One of the popular theory is Big Bang theory, or we can say expanding universe hypothesis. It was in 1920 when American astronomer Edwin Hubble discovered that Milky Way is not the only galaxy in the universe, but it is one of the billions. He also measured that space between galaxies are expanding. With these two discoveries, Georges Lemaitre, the Belgian cosmologist, gave a startling idea which appeared in scientific form in 1931. Famous as the father of the Big Bang theory, he stated that universe was born out of a singularity with the universe expanding till date. Now, a singularity is a singular atom of unimaginably small volume, infinite temperature, and infinite density. This creates an infinite gravitational force, which resulted in explosion of the singularity. Cause of the explosion is still a mystery, but it exploded and a universe was born. We call this explosion a Big Bang event. Within the fraction of a second, the universe expanded faster than the speed of light. After 1 second of the explosion, it gave birth to neutrons, protons, electrons, positrons, and neutrinos. As the time passes by, the universe became colder and colder. Within 300,000 years from Big Bang, temperature dropped to 4500 Kelvin or 4226.85 degrees Celsius. From this point of time, electrons started to combine with the nuclei to form atoms. Sea of hydrogen atom, helium atoms, and some traces of heavy elements started popping up in the vast pool of unknown dark matter. The distribution of matter and energy was not even in the early universe. This caused the matter to get drawn together due to gravitational force, and this formed the base for the development of galaxies. A galaxy contains a large number of stars. Accumulation of hydrogen gas in the very large cloud form a localized clumps of gas called as nebula. These clumps grow into even more denser gaseous bodies. These clumps became hotter and denser with time, which started a nuclear fusion reaction giving rise to formation of stars. Around the core of the star, rotating disk of gas and dust develops. This rotating disk of gas started getting condensed, and the matter around the core develops into small rounded object. These rounded objects, by the process of cohesion, developed into what is called planetesimals. Larger bodies started forming by the collision, and gravitational attraction caused the material to stick together. These planetesimals combine to form planets. With planet and stars, a planetary system is formed, such as our solar system. Another theory was put forward in 1948 by three British scientists, Sir Herman Bondi, Thomas Gold, and Sir Fred Hoyle. They stated that universe is continuously expanding, but appearance and density remains constant. In this universe model, new matter is created at the same speed of destruction of old matter. Visible universe is physically the same at any place and time. This theory is named as steady states theory. universe of this model does not have any beginning or end in time. But the expanding universe hypothesis is the most accepted scientific description of the universe. Another theory which can explain the cause of Big Bang is the collision of multiple universes. The point where collision occur became the source of singularity. This collision can occur between multiple universes. This suggests that maybe there was a matured universe before Big Bang and collision with another universe recreated the universe in which we exist. There are infinite possibilities for the cause of Big Bang, but which one it is, we may never know.